a chase, cuz. They on a chase, cuz. No, cuz. They tryna come get a nigga, cuz. That bitch driving slow as hell, cuz. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. But it's a nighttime POV, man. I got my partner in front of me, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, cuz right here, man. Finna do a little nighttime POV, man. At least get some kind of video in. You know what I'm saying? Gotta stay right, man. Now see we got the light going. You feel me? With the stars on, matching the yellow, with the yellow snorkels in the front, with the side markers. I know I got the side markers too. You know what I'm saying? I ain't did a nighttime POV for y'all in a minute. I don't know if y'all really rock with them. Like I can't get a good thumbnail, like unless it's outside of the car. And I know this video ain't gonna be getting out the car because I'm finna be in the car for a little minute. You know what I'm saying? I got a little drive to make. But yeah. I did not try to do that 12 cent right there. I forgot my jump was in manual mode. Well, not manual mode, but you know, I had stuff. We're gonna get into a little fun car, cause just wait till we get down the road a little bit. But yeah, man, I ain't say how I usually say in the beginning. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit the subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see me, we got the star going. You feel me? With the name in the roof. That's some cool. With the ambient lighting, you know what I'm saying? Alright, man, we back, man. That light was taking forever. I don't know why. But we back, man. I know y'all hear Olivia, man. Y'all hear them pops? Back there, cuz. Oh, we on a chase, cuz. They on a chase, cuz. They tryna come get a nigga, cuz. Cuz. No, for real though, what's going on, cuz? Like, no, cuz. They tryna come get a nigga, cuz. That bitch driving slow as hell, cuz. Yeah, I see my partner, man. He ain't really doing nothing too crazy. I told him to hit that bitch. You know I'm recording too. But this is a little cool POV, man. I seen 12, man. 12 tripping. My boy tripping, huh? Bye-bye. Yeah, man. Get it out. Good grief. Sheesh. Capiche, back at. Slow it down, cut. Stickle. Yeah. Something slight, man. Something slight. Nice little smooth little POV, nighttime POV drive, man. Nothing too crazy. Just had to get y'all some footage, man. Trying to get back, finna get back on my consistency, bro. Or like, you know, at least like uploading multiple times a week. At least like, you know what I'm saying, about 2 to 3 times a week, bro. You know what I'm saying? We getting to that 20K, man. We getting to that 20K, girl. We get to that money, man. But yeah, man. I don't think I got too much else to say. Too much else to say, really. I was just doing that little crew with my boy, man, for we part ways. You feel me? And that's gonna be it, man. I know y'all don't want to really just, you know what I'm saying, hit me just drive and talk all night, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, had to get a nice little session for y'all, boy, man. One of none. Nigga gonna hate, but it one of none, cuz. But yeah, man. But yeah, that's gonna be pretty much a wrap, man. Just give y'all a nice little POV drive at nighttime, man. And my 500 horsepower, souped up, geeked up, long YouTube title face out. But no, for real though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 20K, get your butt to 20K the quick way, Cari crew. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst for all my religious folks, you know what I'm saying? Keep that faith, man. Just because you mess up or you keep messing up, that don't mean give up and just be okay with messing up, you know what I'm saying? I know it's harder to get over some things, habits and everything like that, bro, but you got to keep trying, man, and try to build that faith and trust, man, you know what I'm saying? And really push yourself to, you know what I'm saying, do better. It be hard sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. We all got stuff we struggle with, bro, but you know what I'm saying? You gotta keep your head high, man, and do what you gotta do, bro. Yeah, man. And like I also said on the end of my video, I don't really got too much else to say. I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.